Choosing the right material for a replacement door is one of the most important decisions homeowners in Conway can make. Your door isn't just an entry point, it plays a major role in security, energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall home value. With Conway's mix of warm summers, occasional storms, and fluctuating humidity, selecting the best material ensures your investment lasts for years to come. Steel doors. Strength and security steel doors are a top choice for homeowners who prioritize security and durability. These doors are incredibly strong, making them resistant to forced entry and everyday wear. They also tend to be more affordable than other materials, offering excellent value for the price. In Conway's climate, steel doors perform well because they don't warp or crack due to humidity. Many modern steel doors come with insulated cores, helping maintain indoor temperatures and reduce energy costs. The only downside is that they can dent if hit hard, and scratches may lead to rust if not properly maintained. However, with basic care, steel doors can last for decades. Fiberglass doors. Versatile and low-maintenance fiberglass doors are becoming increasingly popular among Conway homeowners, and for good reason. They offer the look of real wood without the high maintenance requirements. These doors resist dents, rust, and warping, making them ideal for areas with changing weather conditions. One of the biggest advantages of fiberglass is its energy efficiency. Many fiberglass doors are built with foam cores that provide excellent insulation, helping keep your home cool during hot summers and warm during cooler months. They're also highly customizable, available in a wide range of colors, finishes, and styles to match any home design. For homeowners looking for a balance of durability, aesthetics, and minimal upkeep, fiberglass is often the best all-around option. Wood doors. Classic beauty and charm wood doors bring a timeless, elegant look that's hard to replicate. They're perfect for homeowners who want to enhance their home's character and make a strong visual statement. With a variety of wood species and finishes available, you can create a truly custom appearance. However, wood doors do require more maintenance, especially in Conway's humid environment. Without proper sealing and regular upkeep, wood can expand, contract, or warp over time. They are also typically more expensive than steel or fiberglass options. If aesthetics are your top priority and you're willing to invest in maintenance, wood doors can significantly boost curb appeal and home value. Aluminum doors. Modern and lightweight aluminum doors are a great option for homeowners seeking a sleek, modern look. They are lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and often used in contemporary home designs. Many aluminum doors feature glass panels, allowing for more natural light and a clean, open feel. While aluminum is durable, it may not provide the same level of insulation as fiberglass or steel unless it includes a thermal break. For Conway homeowners, this means it's important to choose high-quality models designed for energy efficiency. Glass doors. Bright and inviting glass doors, such as sliding or French doors, are ideal for homeowners who want to bring more natural light into their space. They create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor areas, which is especially appealing in homes with patios or backyards. Modern glass doors are built with double or triple pane glass for improved insulation and security. However, they may require more frequent cleaning and careful consideration of privacy needs. Making the right choice for your Conway home. Ultimately, the best material for your replacement door depends on your priorities, whether that's security, energy efficiency, style, or maintenance. Steel offers strength and affordability. Fiberglass delivers versatility and low upkeep. Wood provides unmatched beauty. Aluminum suits modern designs, and glass enhances natural light. By choosing a material that fits your lifestyle and Conway's climate, you'll not only improve your home's appearance but also its comfort and long-term value.